Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to forward an email from Outlook. So for this tutorial you have to go first on Outlook. Okay, now select an email which you want to forward. So I'll choose where is it? Okay, this one. Then you can see there is a forward option here, or in this items three icons you have to tap on forward and type an email to whom you wanna send this mail, forward this mail. So type it here. Okay, now when you are done with this, then go for send. So guys, this is how you can forward an email from Outlook. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.